Good evening again. So we'll continue now our analysis of Bitcoin. We will walk through days, 4 hour, 1 hour, and ultimately 15 minutes scalping. As can be seen in the market, being volatile these days, especially this week. It was due to a lot of news in the market, like CPI, like Japan's interest rate, etc. Looking at these situations and circumstances can be seen in the market, Bitcoin has shown volatility of almost 4 to 5,000 fluctuation in a single day, again and again. It's also seen in the market that sorry, wait for a minute. The Japan's interest rate is a major impact. In the previous year, it has shown almost 1 trillion liquidation in the stock markets. And this time also you've seen yesterday that almost 500 millions were liquidated. The impact of these news etc. can be seen if we look at the market 4 hours. It can be observed easily that how much change is shown by market and how much stop losses are almost uh, closed. It can be seen if you look at this candle, it was opened on 87,000. Then within the same 4 hours, it reached a high of 90 and 49, 90, 490. Then again, it closed at 87,000. Then the market went down, again up, again down. Almost all the stop losses of this point, of this point, this point, this point, this point, it is almost 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times it is liquidated. A lot of investors who had a short position and 1, 2, 3 and 3 times long positions were liquidated. It is only in the uh, 4 days from like 16 December. If we watch market on one day time frame, you can see the volatility and correction here. Give me a minute. In the previous like it's 21 November and today is 19 December. In 3 days, the market has shown a fluctuation and a correction between um, 80,555 and the high in these days is 94,182 and sorry 94,500. This shown by the market uh, during these 30 days, and we can expect that correction can be continued. And we should not hold our trades for a long time. Instead, we will have to close in small profits. On one day, if we draw simple and safer zone, then we can see that this range and this. The market has been fluctuating in this range, which is 90904, and this is 84,000. The market has returned several times from these points and reverses from this point, this support. So what's next? On the 1 day time frame, it can be seen that we cannot see a long or cannot catch a long trade here, but instead we can open trades for short term, for short time. So our focus will be that stop loss should not be above this point 91,000 and should not be below this point to 4, and we have to move it to 4 hours. The 4 hours, it's seen that the market has reached a top several times and then reverse from there. So it's obvious if someone has a stop loss at these points, he should not be liquidated, and he's in a safe zone. This is the highest one and this is the lowest one. Then we have to check this. The market is currently downtrend on the 4 hour. This one impulse it is ended. Now we can expect the market can touch this point and also this point, but we should wait for the trade. This is not a good time to catch or open any trade in a short or long term. Can be seen on one or chart that the market is fluctuating. There's those points, and it's very difficult to open and trade and to make a good profit. But still, we're looking for any. If there is any opportunity, then we'll open any for small profit. If I draw Fib level, market has already the option to um, touch this level. After this, we can look for a trade for a long one. We have to look for in reversal signs. It's 61 and 78. If the market reverses from these points, then we can open a position with a stop loss of 84 to 70. Otherwise, we should wait for the market. Looking at this, we also have to analyze Ethereum. Ethereum and Dodges. Um, say there was a good opportunity yesterday. The Ethereum and this point can be seen. This one, it was a good opportunity for buying or long trades, and is same for Dodge. It was a lowest point, I think it was 0.12, and um, anyone could open a long position and could have a good profit at this moment. But this time shouldn't open any position, and we must wait because in the long term and a big time frame, it can see in that Dodge is already in the downward trend. If we see any reversal signs, then we'll open a position for long run in this coin. The market has also given good signs of reversal, but still we have to wait. Yesterday market shown a big candle. I think it was almost in 30 minutes. Market went from 0.129 to 0.119. It is a big move in the downward trend. Now the market is showing signs of reversal, but still we cannot open any trade unless there is a pullback. So we are waiting for a pullback. If any signs of reversal are shown in this area downward, then we can expect to buy some. But this time we should wait for market and for the pullback. You cannot open any position. In the previous days, during the volatility in the crypto markets, gold has shown a very big move in the upward direction. In almost 10 days, gold has shown almost 200 points move. It was a big move, it can be seen, but the market has option to reverse back to this point, and you can expect buying at 61% is impulse is already completed. Only this point is good for buying. This is not a time to buy now. Is market is already on the top. You have to wait for 2 3 days on or Monday or Tuesday. If there is any pullback, then you can open your position on the pullbacks only. US oil is shown away. In the overall trend, it results almost down from its top, which was, I think, this is 130, and we can see on the 4 hours. I think it was this point 77, then sharp decline, and then some corrections in the market, then again a downturn is shown by the market. It can be seen. It is absorbed in market. And the market is still in downward trend. After 2021, if we draw horizontal line, it can be observed that market has shown the lowest price since I think it's 2021. The market has shown a lowest price since 2021. Here, signs of reversal can be, but still it's difficult until it is confirmed by the market. Then we can buy. Otherwise, the market is in selling condition. Going back to our Bitcoin, the market is almost 50s, but it's not a good sign for buying. We should wait for 61% or 78% discount. This time in the market can be observed that market is about to give a opportunity for short position, but not yet. We have to wait. If the price moves to this point, to 88, then we can open a short, but not yet. We have to wait. Market is risky this time, and there is a chance that the market will fail to the down position, down price, which is 86 to 50. Market is slow down this time, but and so we have to wait and shouldn't rush. Every time is not for buying, and every time is not for selling. The market is for those uh, who has patience, who can wait. For all the traders who trade at 1 minute, they can have a chance to open short position if the market is about to go below at this time. Only a small, we can try a small trade below in the short. Only 1% of your, and the stop loss should be above this point, which is 87,450. But remember, this is a risky trade. Only can be opened with first small position. Is already discussed their market can go down till 86,000. Let's see how our trade performs. Remember this that the trade is only for 1% small amount of capital, small risk. As you say that my position is only for $13 loss, and the total position size is 3500, which is small size because I want to be on the safe side. And the market volatility, it can hit stop losses multiple times, so be careful. If you have ever studied the Elliott waves, then you must have remembered one thing. Market moves in five waves. The after C, I can expect A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 downward. I can expect this from the market. So don't worry if the market moves to this point, 261 or 78%, no issue. You have to wait for the market. But our target is this. We will change this because this is flexible. These are not fixed. We will change this through time unless this one is completed. So I'm waiting for this one. When 1 and 2 is completed, after this we will draw our third wave. But this time it is not confirmed. It is just imaginary line or imaginary trend that the market may move uh, in this direction. Our trade is already given $2.5. It was a small trade of only 3,500 position. One, it was a 1% of our capital. So just wait for a market if it hits our target or not.